You spent the money, you got the pool, and somehow, standing in the backyard looking at it, something still feels off. It's not the pool, it's the 6 inches around it that nobody wanna hear about. The water sits perfectly still just before sunset. A single leaf lands, sends a slow ring across the surface, and the whole rectangle catches the last of the light along one crisp edge. Nothing about the image happens by accident. Rectangular pools are the hardest shape to landscape well. Every other pool shape hides its mistake, this one doesn't. Straight lines are honest, a crooked bed, a mismatched planter, an off-center tree. The rectangles will expose all it the moment the water goes still. That's the trap most homeowners walk into without realizing they have walked into anything at all. I am Sophia. This is Outdoor Heaven. If your rectangular pool looks a little cold or little unfinished, the fix is not more plants and is not the bigger budget. It's understanding geometry first, and over the next few minutes, I shall show you exactly how the good ones are put together. The single most important principle is parallel lines. Beds that run alongside the pool should echo its long edge, not curve, not zigzag, not taper off at all corners. Our plantings strive 5 to 6 feet wide, running the full length of one side. Instantly, the pool feels intentional, and a matching stripe on the opposite side, and the white space starts reading as an outdoor room. Not a hole in the ground, anything narrow than 4 feet looks like leftover margin. Anything wider that 7 starts to swallow the pool. Straight talks to straight, and once you commit to that, the rest of the design gets easier. Then break the rule once deliberately. Once curved element creates the tension, the rectangle needs to feel alive, not clinical. A circular fire pit patio of the deep end, a rounded lounger cluster at the one corner. A half moon planter at the far end, coping thickness matters here too, and it's the detail most homeowners never touch. A 12-inch stone coping on a small pool looking heavy and closes into water. 6 inches on a large pool looks flimsy and cheap. Match the coping band to the pool scales, roughly 1 inch of coping per foot of pool wide, and the frame starts working with the surface, not against it. Plant heights is where most rectangular pools quickly get ruined. Tall shrubs stacked along the shore and make the pool look shorter than it actually is. A useful ratio keeps planting height no more than 1/3 of the pool's length along the long sides. Save the taller layered anchors, a Japanese maple, a cluster of upright grasses, a slim evergreen column for the far short end, where they stretch the space rather than cut it off. That single decision can make a 20-foot pool feel like a 30-foot pool from the patio door. Rectangular pools throw long afternoon shadows. Watch where the pool sits at 4 in afternoon before committing to shade a tree. The wrong placement can put the water in shadow exactly when everyone wants to swim. Handled with respect for its own shape, a rectangular pool becomes the calmest, most architecture feature in the yard. The kind of designs that quickly earns compliments without ever asking for them. Subscribe to Outdoor Heaven if you want the next build to land in your feed. A like and a share on this one help more than you did think, especially for a channel this specific.